Gang. What's good, Dan Mafia? We back in this bitch with another one. Yo, man, how y'all doing? I hope y'all having a great Monday, man. I hope y'all enjoy y'all weekend. You feel me? Yeah, man, I hope y'all having a great. I hope y'all making the most of 2024, man. I can't believe we actually already through 4 months already. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, you don't know what time it is, gang. We're back with another video today. We got Popcaan and Shano. This collab I'm kind of surprised to see. I can't remember off my head if Shano and Popcaan ever did a collab before, but nevertheless, these are really two talented artists, like really talented artists. Shano, people know Popcaan is very talented and he's one of the biggest artists in dancehall, but a lot of people sleep on Shano, bro. Shano, bro, Dark Room, Millennium Gallus with Cartel and Shansan, bro. Like when it comes to lyrics, wordplay, Shano is got it. I feel like people be sleeping on him sometimes. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm glad for them. I'm happy for this collab, man. I want to see what they got going on. You know what I'm saying? It says Popcaan, Shano, modded. Now, Shano is very conscious. Popcaan is very conscious. Now, linking up together, I think they will probably do a conscious tune. But from the title, look at it, more like a party, more vibe, more badman type of tune. You know what I'm saying? Which is a good look. It's always good to step out there, our comfort zone. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I'm gonna jump right and try this. Popcaan and Shano. Let's see what they got going on, gang. Popcaan, Shano, modded. Let's get it.
Buckler, get a rampant, man.
I wish gotta play with the unruly boss. How are you going? Yeah, no. So I did upon the little way and shit. Then they were skate and sit now. How are you going? Come on.
Yo, ask God. Yeah. Every day. Clean and we out, neck freezing. AC cool pan the highway speeding. God inna the earth now. We are God inna the earth now.
Now we out, next freezing. I want to hear God inna the earth. Come in now.
Y'all give me pussy this evening. Yeah. Still I make millions when I am sleeping. God inna the earth now.
What? This evening, still I make millions while I'm sleeping. Come in.
We are God inna the earth.
Make sure you not like the video, you know. Make sure you not like the video and the vibes there. Come in.
Boss it, my dad. Y'all them say we are the toughest, my dad. Anyone may pull up crazy, girl want run head. No you
like the switch up there. Boss it, my dad. Anyone you pull up, hey, come in, me like that. Wow, come in.
We are God inna the earth now. Boss it, my dad. Y'all them say we are the toughest, my dad. Anyone may pull up crazy, girl want run head. Know your love when bad man spread your legs.
Easy now. Anyone pull up, girl want run what? Girl want run what?
Boss it, my dad. Y'all them say we are the toughest, my dad. Matic them jam up, never run out of lead. Chili them full of bread.
Matic them jam up, never run out of lead around here, mama. I'm to you, man. I want to say you're good. You see if we just like Nova Scotia. I'm to you, man.
Kill them not pre-silly. Matic them not jam, me say you're tricky me. Easily. Girl I pay for the fuck this and no free will.
Boom. Easy now, man. Pull up easily. Girl want run it easily. Them a girl. Dog. Yeah, I'm such a boss. Girl, I love you so much that them a pay for the thing, dog. Cause this is not free will. Who know them over there free will? Hey, that's a word play right there, man. Come on.
Body in a earth, papi God in a earth. Can't match up to your time, dog. The clock it a search. Pull up a cat to your flirt. I don't know, girl. The chicken I go pick up and you this maggie a dirt.
You know what? No good. The chicken I go pick up. From your this Maggie a dirt. Easy now, man. Play with Shano.
Cool money, duffel bag full of bricks, feel good. You hold it. Girl I say she never cocker that sweet. Before me leave, me left a pitney pan it up teeth. Yo, beast.
Oh boy, girl say she never rate it. Something so sweet. Before me left her. Kids man are that. Hey, come in. Come on. This a mad collab. This bad.
Cool money, duffel bag full of bricks, feel good. You hold it. Girl I say she never cocker that sweet. Before me leave, me left a pitney pan it up teeth. Yo, beast.
Boss it, my dad. Y'all them say we are the toughest, my dad. Anyone may pull up crazy, girl want run head.
I love this. Bring the fun back in a dance hall. I love this. Love that. Come
know your love when bad man spread your leg. Boss it, my dad. Y'all them say we are the toughest, my dad. Matic them jam up, never run out of lead. Chili them full of bread. Yeah, me never smell like garlic. Tell them say me sweet like Alex. For me a little bit.
Not smell like garlic around here. Girl I say we smell like Alex, I want to you, babe. Babe.
It up at the target, star from a barn in a Princess Margaret. She know, Celtic clip at the tallest. Baby, your pum pum at the smallest.
Easy now. She know Celtic clip at the tallest. Baby, your pum pum at the smallest. Oh yeah.
She skinny toes.
Eagle eye, mama. To you, man.
Carpet, up down, somewhere in the carpet. I'm only me like one pretty white girl. I say her body she like. She a tell me she we fucking at the club in a light. And really get the girl them sitting wet than a pipe.
Easy that one. Yo, she ain't no part of Unruly, you know. She ain't no should be a part of Unruly. I ain't gonna cap to you, bro. Some of them artists are going like say yo, Ray, them bad parts. Some of them if you join up. You see me join another group exist already. Big man thing.
Yo, neck freezing, AC cool on the highway speeding.
As if she no go to Unruly, brother, it would be a great look. The camp put out.
God inna the earth now. Where God inna the earth now. You learn. Y'all give me pussy this evening. Still I make millions when I am sleeping. God inna the earth now.
Easy now, man. This beat is crazy. The vibe, the energy, everything. I like it. The concept, I definitely like it.
Where God inna the earth now.
Yeah, I got in the earth now. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, say no.
No. Don't play
Universal
with the unruly
technique.
boss, you know. Don't play with the unruly boss. To know. Popcaan can never fall off, bro. You know, just come back and just make a hit. Another hits with ease. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Popcaan, Shane, no. My dead. That's a vibe. I like that one a lot, man. I'm rocking with that song. That song gonna make my playlist. Yeah, man. That's gonna make the playlist for sure, gang. Let me know what y'all think. What's your thoughts on this collab, bro? Did y'all see this coming? Did y'all see Shano and Popcaan linking up? Did they like preview online or been talking about it? Cause this came out of nowhere for me. You see me? Cause I didn't see anything on Popcaan page, didn't see anything on Shano page, didn't see on IG, Twitter, anything like that. Like they making music. I saw one day that they dropped this shit and I'm like, alright, I'm gonna react to it, but I'm gonna give it some time because I have some other stuff to get out first. But yeah, man, it's a good look, man. They linked up and they did a great job together. I think they should actually do more collabs together because they work very well, bro. I like that. My dad, my dad. Easy now, man. It's a vibe. But God not the earth coming, man. I like that. I like the track. It's a vibey track. It's a collab we weren't expecting. I'm like artists them a link up on a collaboration and make some fun, dope tracks, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Popcaan is a hit maker, Shana is a hit maker, Shana is a lyricist, Popcaan. You know what I'm saying? So it's a good look. I like it. Yeah, man. So drop your comments, man. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, gang. Let me know what y'all think about that one. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Let them know that Jambisco done send you. Yeah, man, gang. Also drop your requests. You will get your shout out. Drop your requests. You will get a shout out for your song. And if you make it this far in the video, please hit that like and subscribe button, bro. Help your boy out, man. Help my videos get out there. Help my channel grow. All you gotta do, you ain't gotta give me money, nothing. All you gotta do is hit that like button. The like button gonna tell people, YouTube that you like the videos and then push it out. Come on, bro. Come on, support each other, man. Don't care so bad mind. You see me? I say, how long I've been doing this and the video them, y'all should be hitting the like button. No joke, bro. If you're bad mind, don't hit the like button. You see me? If you're bad mind, don't hit the like button. Yeah, man. You don't know what time it is. Boy, Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other, gang. Love you guys.